Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need an updated device and live data. Once ready, open Apple Maps and go straight to the place you want to inspect. Tap the search field, type an address or landmark, and choose the result. If you're at your current location, tap the blue dot instead. Once the place card appears, look for the binoculars or look around thumbnail. This tells you the view is available. Tap that thumbnail to start the immersive street-level view and load high-res imagery. Now you're inside Look Around. You can pan by swiping and rotate by dragging across the screen. This is how you inspect details up close. Tap the forward arrows on the road to travel along the route and pinch to zoom when you need tighter detail. This helps spot signs or storefronts. Make sure to use the thumbnail minimap in the corner to reorient. It shows your heading. If you tap a business label, the place card pops up, so you can jump between map info and the street view quickly. To finish, tap Done or the map icon to return to the regular map view. This preserves your zoom and orientation. If you want quick access later, add the place to favorites or long press the pin to save it. If Look Around doesn't appear, make sure iOS and Maps are updated, toggle location services, and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Restarting the Maps app often fixes thumbnails not loading. If imagery looks wrong, report a problem from the place card so Apple can refresh that street data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.